The Toyota Rush 2026 enters the automotive landscape as a compact yet confident SUV that blends practicality, modern engineering, and a sense of youthful adventure for drivers who seek versatility in every journey. In this review for Gear Era, we explore how the new Rush model has evolved in design, performance, comfort, safety, and technology, creating an identity that stands apart in the SUV market. Gear Era has always been dedicated to bringing forward honest, detailed, and structured automotive insights, and today's deep analysis aims to provide viewers with a complete picture of what the Toyota Rush 2026 offers in the real world, from its engineering strengths to its everyday usability. As consumer expectations grow and the automotive landscape becomes increasingly competitive, the question remains whether the 2026 Rush stands strong enough to be considered a smart choice for families, travelers, and urban drivers alike. The exterior design of the Toyota Rush 2026 has been carefully enhanced to reflect a stronger and more dynamic character. Its front fascia features a sharper grille design that flows into slim LED headlamps, creating a well-defined and confident look. The bumper has been subtly reshaped for more aerodynamic efficiency, while the side profile maintains the upright stance that gives the Rush its distinctive SUV personality. New alloy wheel designs add refinement, and the rear styling incorporates updated LED taillights with a modern light signature that improves nighttime visibility. The 2026 model carries itself with a presence that appeals to young drivers, families, and even those who simply want a stylish yet reliable city performance. The overall build quality feels more refined than earlier versions, and Toyota has worked on reducing visual bulk to give the car a more proportional and sleek appearance. Under the hood, the Toyota Rush 2026 continues to prioritize efficiency and reliability over aggressive power. Its engine tuning has been slightly optimized to deliver smoother acceleration and improved fuel consumption, making it a budget-friendly companion for long drives and daily commutes. The gearbox works in harmony with the engine to provide steady power delivery. And although the Rush is not built as a performance-focused SUV, it offers stability, consistent response, and a well-balanced drive that supports both city maneuvering and light off-road adventure. Toyota's engineering team has improved chassis rigidity and suspension damping, resulting in better ride comfort and reduced cabin vibrations. Steering feedback is predictable and steady, and while the Rush is not designed for high-speed thrills, it excels in practical functionality and long-term dependability, attributes that Toyota is globally known for. The interior of the Toyota Rush 2026 introduces a more premium approach to cabin ergonomics, material selection, and technological compatibility. The dashboard layout is cleaner, more symmetrical, and more intuitive in terms of control placement. Toyota has enhanced seat cushioning for improved comfort during long-distance journeys, and interior space distribution ensures that both front and rear passengers enjoy sufficient legroom, headroom, and seating support. The three-row layout remains a key attraction, allowing families to utilize the Rush as a compact but capable people carrier. The infotainment system is equipped with the latest connectivity technologies such as wireless smartphone integration, hands, free command support, and a smoother touch interface. New ambient lighting elements enhance nighttime cabin experience, giving the interior a modern and relaxing feel. Practical storage spaces, flexible seat folding options, and improved ventilation controls all contribute to making the cabin more user-centric and travel-friendly. Safety is one of the pillars of the Toyota Rush philosophy, and the 2026 model enhances its list of protective features. Toyota's updated safety suite includes advanced braking assistance, lane awareness technology, collision mitigation alerts, and improved body structure designed to absorb impact forces more efficiently. Multiple airbags, traction control, hill start assist, and stability management systems help maintain safe driving behavior in diverse conditions. Families particularly appreciate Toyota's child safety enhancements, including improved anchor points and stronger mounting reinforcements. The Rush also integrates smarter sensor systems that aid in parking, navigating tight spaces, and avoiding potential obstacles. While the Rush does not position itself as a high-tech luxury SUV, it ensures that daily driving is secure, predictable, and supported by dependable safety engineering. When it comes to real-world practicality, the Toyota Rush 2026 excels in providing reliable functionality to a wide range of drivers. Its fuel efficiency makes it ideal for long commutes, while its compact SUV dimensions allow easy handling in crowded urban areas. The elevated seating position improves road visibility, making it comfortable for new drivers or those switching from smaller vehicles. Families appreciate the generous cargo flexibility, as the seats can be reconfigured to balance passenger and luggage needs. The Rush delivers comfort without unnecessary complexity, focusing on what matters most in everyday travel: reliability, low maintenance costs, spaciousness, and ease of ownership. Its body-on-frame inspired setup ensures durability on rough patches, while its road manners remain smooth enough for city conditions. From a value perspective, the Toyota Rush 2026 remains one of the most attractive offerings in its category. Toyota's global reputation for long-term reliability, affordable parts availability, and strong resale value makes the Rush a strategic choice for buyers who seek a vehicle that performs well over many years. The 2026 model brings incremental improvements in design, interior quality, ride comfort, and technology without compromising on the fundamental elements that define the Rush. It becomes particularly appealing for buyers who want a balanced SUV that delivers essential modern features without driving up ownership costs or requiring complex maintenance routine. In conclusion, the Toyota Rush 2026 positions itself as a trustworthy and well-rounded SUV that successfully meets the needs of families, urban commuters, and practical-minded drivers. It blends efficiency, durability, comfort, and renewed styling into a versatile package that performs consistently in diverse driving conditions. For viewers of Gear Era, this review reflects our commitment to transparent analysis that guides automotive decisions with clarity and depth. If you want more detailed reviews, comparisons, and future model insights, make sure to support the channel, stay connected with our content, and subscribe at the end.